Before you walk through the stunning skyline and indulge in the luxury of Dubai, there are a few laws you might want to write down in your travel diary. We're uncovering the legal quirks that make Dubai not just a dazzling destination, but a city with a rule book that might raise an eyebrow or two. So if you're gearing up for a journey to the land of extravagance, hold on to your boarding pass because you need to know these laws before you go. Law 1. No kissing in public. First on our list is the no kissing in public rule. Picture this, the city of romance, the majestic Burj Khalifa in the background, and you're thinking of stealing a kiss. Hold your horses. Kissing in public can land you not only in hot water, but also with fines or even a stint behind bars. So next time you feel that surge of affection, save it for a more private setting. Love in Dubai prefers a stage set for two. Law 2. No dancing in public places. Now let's talk about donning those dancing shoes. Dubai's got rhythm, but the dance floor is where the magic happens. Dancing in public places, you better don't. But fear not, my fellow dance enthusiasts. There are plenty of venues where you can bust a move without the risk of facing fines, or dare I say, a dance-off in court. It's a gentle reminder to keep the cha-cha confined to designated areas. Law 3. No swearing or rude gestures. Watch your language. Dubai believes in the power of polite conversation. Swearing or making rude gestures can be more than just a cathartic release. It can be a ticket to fines. And let's face it, nobody wants to pay for letting off steam. So keep those expletives tucked away in your vocabulary vault, and let's keep it classy in the city of elegance. Law 4. No public pajamas. Now here's a bedtime story that might surprise you. In this metropolis of elegance, strolling in public, wearing pajamas is not just a casual stroll. It's against the law, so forget about that quick grocery run in your comfiest sleepwear. Dubai's dress code extends beyond the waking hours, and breaking this bedtime fashion faux pas might lead to more than just disapproving looks. We call it the no public pajamas policy, and the city that never sleeps expects you to be dressed for the occasion, even when you're just grabbing milk at midnight. Law 5. No public nudity. Dubai might be hot, but that doesn't mean shedding layers is allowed. Public nudity, even topless sunbathing, is strictly prohibited. Sun's out, clothes on, otherwise be prepared for the legal sunburn. Public nudity can lead to fines and possibly a tan that's not worth the legal hassle. It's a reminder to keep things covered in public spaces. Law 6. No eating or drinking in public during Ramadan. Feeling a bit peckish during the day in Ramadan? Hold off that snack attack. Eating or drinking in public during daylight hours in Ramadan is not just against the law, it's considered disrespectful to those observing fasting. So save that falafel for later. Eating or drinking in public during Ramadan can result in fines, and it's a call to respect the traditions of the season. Law 7. No photography of people without consent. Say cheese, but only with permission. Taking photos of individuals without their consent is more than just a breach of privacy. It's against the law. Whether you're snapping selfies or capturing the city's beauty, always respect the personal space of others. Unauthorized photography can lead to fines, reminding us all to focus on the beauty without compromising someone else's privacy. Law 8. No chewing gum in the Dubai metro. Chewing gum, a casual habit for some, but not in the Dubai metro. This public transportation hub is a gum-free zone. Break out the breath mints because breaking this rule might stick you with a fine. So let's keep the metro platforms minty fresh. Chewing gum in the Dubai metro can result in fines, encouraging commuters to keep the commute clean and fresh. Law 9. No spitting in public. Spit happens, but not in public spaces in Dubai. Spitting is not just considered unhygienic, it's also against the law. So, hold on to those loogies, or you might find yourself hocking up more than you bargained for. Spitting in public can lead to fines, promoting a cleaner and more considerate environment for everyone. Law 10. No public intoxication. Dubai's nightlife is legendary, but remember, moderation is key. Being visibly drunk in public is not just frowned upon, it's against the law. So sip that mocktail and enjoy the city's glittering lights without stumbling into legal trouble. Public intoxication can result in fines or even a sobering night in custody. It's a reminder to party responsibly in the city that never sleeps. Stay tuned as we unravel more of Dubai's legal mysteries on this journey through the unconventional. This is Facts for Free signing off. Stay curious, stay informed, and always mind the legal steps in the city of dreams.